everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So many of you asked me how I do my skincare and how I get the flawless base, though it's not a flawless base. I do have some, blackheads and some pores and some leftover pimple spots. So yeah, I already took shower and I just washed my face with a face wash. I will give a picture somewhere. So now you can see that I have so much dry skin. So first I'm gonna tone my face. Yeah, what I was saying, first I'm gonna tone my face. For toner I'm gonna use my most favorite toner, this one, KLAIRS Supple Preparation Facial Toner. So first I'm gonna, normally I wipe my face with this toner, but today I just took some drops and just dab it all over my face like this one. It's gonna hydrate your face, and as I said several times that I have really dry skin, so I really love this one. So toning is done. Next, it's all about serum. I'm a huge lover of serum. I really love to try different types of serum. So recently I really enjoyed this one. It's the Therapy Anti-Aging Formula. So your girl is 25 plus. I'm not gonna share my age, so I have to use some anti-aging products. So I really love this one. It's kind of gel based, but it will moisturize your face. You can see the glow, right? So toning and serum application is done. Next I'm gonna apply some moisturizer. I'm using the same moisturizer, same range. It's a Therapy Oil Blending Formula Cream. You guys already noticed that I'm a huge Korean skincare lover. I really love their creams and everything, every skincare item. So they have the spoolie, spatula, whatever you wanna say. So I'm just taking this much and I'm applying it. This has a cooling, refreshing feeling. I'm not gonna rub it, I just apply it with circular motion, and slowly I'm gonna blend it. It's kind of thick gel formula. It's a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge. And if you have oily skin, you can also use this one. As I said, it's a gel formula. Don't forget the neck area. Normally I apply eye cream, but I just leave it for nighttime skincare because already I have moisturized my face very well. So now it's a lip balm time. So recently I love this one. It's Vaseline Lip Therapy Mirror. it has pink tint to it, but it's not gonna show on my lip because I have very pigmented lips. So yeah, this is the final skincare of mine. If you love it, don't forget to share your most favorite skincare item. And yeah,